WhatsApp app restrictions may prevent you from using WhatsApp on the Clone app, but you can take some steps to bypass these restrictions and log into WhatsApp through the browser. To achieve this method, you need at least 2 devices. 1. First, log into your WhatsApp account on one device. 2. Download the Clone app on another device. You can choose to use the Via browser or Opera browser. Once downloaded, open the Clone app, click plus, and then we first choose to clone through the Via browser. Three. After the cloning is complete, open the Via browser. Click on the Via browser settings and switch the mode to computer mode. After completing the switch, visit the WhatsApp website, https://web.whatsapp.com/. You will see that you need to scan the QR code to log in. 4. Now take out your other device and make sure that the device is logged in to the mobile version of WhatsApp. Open WhatsApp, click Scan QR code, scan the QR code with the mobile version of WhatsApp, and log in to the Via browser. Once the scan and login are completed, you can bypass the restrictions of WhatsApp in the Clone app through the Via browser and use WhatsApp in the Clone app. You can clone multiple browsers and log into your WhatsApp account. If you like this video, please like and follow our YouTube account to get the latest Clone app news. You can also join our Telegram group through the link in the comment area. If you have any questions, please contact our official Telegram customer service at cloneapp111 and at cloneapp555. Thank you for watching. See you next time.